Let's do this. Sweet Child of Mine, Guns N' Roses. Finger style cover. Cover. This is to everyone who asked for this. I have no idea what to expect, but 8 million views. Let's do this.
Damn, he's playing that strings without even touching the other side of it. Look at him.
Let's get into this. Sweet Child of Mine, Guns N' Roses, fingerstyle cover. I have no idea what to expect. So many people, were asking for Alip Ba Ta. I hope I said that right. One sec. Tagalog. Alip Ba Ta. I hope I said that right. I'm trying my best. I don't know what to expect. Is he just going to play the guitar? Is he going to sing? I don't know. I can't play an instrument, but I'm good on the... What are they called again? Cymbals and the triangle. But anyway, before we get into the video, let's do this. Sweet Child of Mine, Guns N' Roses. Finger style cover. This is to everyone who asked for this. I have no idea what to expect, but 8 million views. Let's do this.
Damn, he's playing that strings without even touching the other side of it. Look at him.
Such an iconic opening. It's not my favorite GNR song, but like, there's nobody on the planet that doesn't know where that opening is from.
I need to play it like as it comes out. Like, that is sick. So he's playing the lead part and the bass part at the same time. Who does that? Dang.
He's so confident. And it's not like a, hey, I'm cocky, I can do this. It's just this tremendous amount of confidence and poise that comes off of him. I myself am not a musician, but my dad was a guitar player.
Oh, bro, this is sick. This is sick. I thought he was just going to be playing the guitar. But he's doing the singing in the guitar. That is sick. At first, I thought, no way this guy's doing this with one hand. I thought the whole video was just going to be like... Dun, 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 dun. You can already tell this guy's got skills. Just look how his pinky finger contorts. It looks like it's going backwards, bro. Like, just chill, man. I hope your finger's okay. All right, let's do this.
So good, and he's feeling it too. Like, he's not just sitting there mechanically doing it, and it doesn't look over rehearsed. He's just in the zone.
The thing is, right, what's crazy is he's even hitting the harmonies of the vocalist. That's what's crazy. Why hasn't no one done this before? I haven't seen this before. Why hasn't no one thought to do this? Bro, shout out to this guy. Shout out to this guy. Well done to him. Let me hear that again. Let me hear that. Well, oh. so good. That's so good.
Now that's smooth.
Just like he's throwing off so much positive energy too.
Now, tell me a bit more about his back. Is he? Tell me a bit more about his background in the comments. Is he in a band, or is this his job? Did he just randomly put a video on YouTube and it just slapped, and now he's making money off YouTube, living his life, playing his guitar, which he looks like he is loving it, man. This guy looks like he's entranced in another world playing this music. And that's what music's all about. Music's all about listening to this song and just forgetting everything in your world for about 3 to 4 minutes. And this guy's just like, this guy's in the clouds right now, man. I love that. I love that. Flex on him. Damn.